Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to show an external hard drive on your Mac. It can be frustrating when you plug in your drive and nothing. Don't worry, it's a common issue with some really simple fixes. In this video, we'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to get your external hard drive showing up on your Mac in no time. We'll cover everything from checking your Finder preferences to disk utility fixes, so stick around. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Visual: show the external hard drive being plugged into the Mac but not showing up. Step 1. Check the connection. First things first, let's make sure the obvious things are covered. Is the drive properly connected? Sometimes, a loose connection can be the culprit. Try unplugging the drive and plugging it back in securely. Also, try a different USB port on your Mac. Sometimes a port can be faulty. If you're using a USB hub, try connecting the drive directly to your Mac. Visual: show close-ups of the cable being plugged in, different USB ports, and disconnecting from a USB hub. Step 2. Check Finder preferences. Okay, connection is good, but still nothing? Let's check your Finder preferences. The Finder is the application you use to access files and folders on your Mac. It has settings that control what appears on your desktop and in Finder windows. Go to Finder *, click on the Finder icon in your dock. It looks like a little smiley face. Go to Preferences * in the Finder menu at the top of the screen, click Finder, and then Preferences. Click Sidebar *, click on the Sidebar tab at the top of the Preferences window. Check External Disks * under the Locations section. Make sure the box next to External Disks is checked. This tells the Finder to show external drives in the Finder sidebar. Click General *, now click on the General tab. Check External Disks *, make sure the box next to External Disks is checked. This tells the Finder to show external drives on the desktop. Visual: screen recording of navigating to Finder preferences and checking the relevant boxes in Sidebar and General tabs. Step 3. Use disk utility. Still not seeing your drive? It might be a formatting or mounting issue. Let's use disk utility. Open disk utility *, go to your Applications folder, then Utilities, and open disk utility. You can also use Spotlight search, Command plus spacebar, and type disk utility. Find your drive * in the left sidebar. You should see your external hard drive listed. If it's grayed out, it means it's not mounted. Mount the drive * select your drive and click the Mount button at the top of the disk utility window. Visual: screen recording of opening disk utility, locating the external hard drive, mounted and unmounted examples, and clicking the Mount button. What if it doesn't mount? If you click Mount and nothing happens, or you get an error message, there might be a more serious problem. But don't panic yet. First Aid * select the drive and click the First Aid button at the top of the disk utility window. This will run a diagnostic check on the drive and try to repair any minor errors. Click Run to start the process. Visual: screen recording showing the First Aid process in disk utility. Important note: First Aid is a good starting point, but it's not a magic bullet. If it doesn't fix the problem, you might need to consider reformatting the drive. Warning: reformatting will erase all data on the drive, so only do this as a last resort and after backing up any important data. Visual text overlay: warning, reformatting erases all data. How to reformat, last resort. Select the drive * in disk utility, select the drive you want to reformat. Click Erase *, click the Erase button at the top of the window. Name the drive *, give your drive a name. Choose a format *, select a format. APFS is generally the best option for Macs, but if you need to use the drive with Windows computers, choose exFAT. Click Erase click Erase to start the reformatting process. Visual: screen recording showing the erase process in disk utility, including naming the drive, choosing a format, APFS and exFAT options highlighted, and clicking Erase. Step 4. Check system information. If you still can't see the drive in disk utility, let's check system information. Open System Information *. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. Then click System Report. Go to USB*. In the left sidebar, under Hardware, click on USB. Look for your drive *. See if your external hard drive is listed in the USB device tree. If your drive is listed here, it means your Mac is at least recognizing the hardware. If it's not listed here, there might be a hardware problem with the drive, the cable, or your Mac's USB port. Try a different cable and a different computer to isolate the problem. Visual, screen recording of navigating to system information and checking the USB device tree. Conclusion *. So there you have it. A few simple steps to troubleshoot why your external hard drive might not be showing up on your Mac. Remember to start with the easy fixes, like checking the connection and Finder preferences, before moving on to more advanced solutions like Disk Utility. If you've tried all of these steps and your drive still isn't working, it might be time to consult a professional or consider that the drive itself might be faulty. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or tips for troubleshooting external hard drives on Macs. Thanks for watching.